Little Kids' Heart of Learning, a stress-free place for your little ones to have fun while learning and exploring.
Hello friends. Let's have fun by solving a few math problems today. Are you ready to learn? Wonderful. I'm excited to learn with you as well. Before we begin, why is math important? Math promotes healthy brain function, improves problem solving, supports logical reasoning and analytical thinking. Math helps develop flexible thinking and creativity. It opens many worlds of knowledge, playing crucial roles in understanding the contents of other school subjects, such as science, social studies, and even music and art. Now, let's begin. One times 1 equals 1. 3 times 2 equals 6. 5 times 1 equals 5. 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 2 equals 4. 6 times 1 equals 6. 5 times 2 equals 10. 3 times 3 equals 9. 1 times 2 equals 2. 7 times 1 equals 7. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 1 times 9 equals 9. 5 times 3 equals 15. 1 times 0 equals 0. You are truly amazing. Thank you for doing math problems with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Little Kids' Heart of Learning. You were awesome. Great job, friends.